Identify stakeholder. The first step in project communication management is identification of project stakeholders. We have already discussed many a time in this tutorial about who is a stakeholder, but nevertheless, let me tell you again that a stakeholder is someone who has some interest in the project. Typical examples of stakeholder are customer, organization's senior management, project team, and so on. Since project manager has limited time, it's very important for him to identify all the stakeholder and also make a strategy to ensure that all these stakeholder create positive impact on the project rather than creating any obstacle. So the input of this process is all the sources that can potentially give information about project stakeholder. Some initial stakeholders are listed in project charter. If the project is executed as part of the contract, the procurement documents also provide some names of contact persons from supplier side, who can be potential stakeholder of the project. Sometimes enterprise environmental factors like government agencies are also project stakeholder. Organization process asset is also listed as an input because organization might have standard templates for capturing stakeholder information which can be used for the project. The techniques used in this process are quite generic. In stakeholder analysis, you can look at the stakeholder information collected and categorize stakeholders for better management. For example, classifying stakeholders as external or internal may help. Sometimes you do not want certain information to be shared with external stakeholder like suppliers. Expert judgment is another technique wherein you can look forward to inputs on your stakeholder analysis from organization's senior management or other project managers who have handled similar project in the past, or any other person who is an expert in the area in which you are executing the project. The output of this process is obviously the list of all stakeholders or stakeholder register. Many organizations have standard template to prepare stakeholders list. The other output of this process is stakeholder analysis. In this document, additional information about the stakeholder are also captured to ensure they are positively impact the project.